What if you were born with nothing? No money, no support, no shortcuts, and the world kept breaking you every time you tried to stand up? What if your dreams were bigger than your pain, but life kept testing how badly you wanted them? This is not just a story about success. This is a story about surviving poverty, heartbreak, rejection, and years of silent hard work. Until one day, everything changed. Once upon a time, there lived a teenage boy in Europe who had nothing except hope. His house was small, cold, and often silent. His parents worked endlessly, yet money was never enough. Some nights, dinner was just bread and water. While other children dreamed about toys and vacations, he dreamed about survival. He walked to school wearing worn-out shoes, hiding his hunger behind a quiet smile. Life taught him early that no one was coming to save him. If he wanted a better future, he would have to build it with his own hands. As he grew older, the weight of poverty became heavier. He watched his classmates live comfortably while he counted every coin. People looked down on him, laughed at his clothes, and ignored his dreams. The worst pain was not being poor, it was feeling invisible. One day, his heart broke when the person he trusted most walked away, choosing comfort over struggle. That night, he sat alone, staring at the ceiling, wondering why life was so unfair. But in that broken silence, something powerful was born. A decision to never give up. He started working while still in school, cleaning, lifting, delivering, learning anything that paid even a little. He studied late at night, exhausted but determined. While others slept, he worked. While others relaxed, he learned. Days were long. Nights were longer. There were moments when his body wanted to quit, but his mind refused. He failed many times. Doors closed. Opportunities disappeared, but he kept showing up. Consistency became his weapon when talent and money were missing. Saw. If this story is touching your heart, subscribe to English Story Academy channel for emotional, powerful, and interesting stories that inspire real change. Success demanded sacrifice. He lost friends because he chose growth. He missed celebrations because he chose work. Loneliness became his companion, but discipline became his strength. Every rejection made him smarter. Every failure made him tougher. He learned skills no one saw. He built dreams no one believed in. Years passed and people still doubted him, but he no longer needed their approval. He trusted the process, even when results were invisible. One day, an opportunity finally appeared. Not by luck, but by preparation. The skills he had built quietly now mattered. His work stood out. His mindset was unbreakable. Slowly, results began to show. Small wins turned into bigger ones. Money came, but more importantly, confidence returned. The same world that once ignored him started paying attention. Not because he begged, but because he became undeniable. Years later, the poor boy was no longer poor. He had built success brick by brick. He helped his family. He lived without fear of hunger. But he never forgot where he came from. Wealth didn't change his heart. It proved his journey. He understood that money is a reward, but character is the real victory. He was rich not just in wealth, but in wisdom, discipline, and resilience. Standing tall, he looked back at his past with respect, not pain. Every tear, every sleepless night, every moment of doubt had meaning. He realized that hard work done consistently, even in the darkest times, always finds light. His story was no longer about poverty. It was about possibility. And his message to the world was simple. Your beginning does not decide your ending. Saw. Moral of the story. Hard times are not here to break you. They are here to build you. Stay consistent, stay patient, and never quit on yourself. Or subscribe to English Story Academy channel for emotional, life-changing stories that turn pain into power. Because one story can change a life.